If you're seeing a blank Windows Security at a glance page in Windows 11, don't worry. Here are 5 quick fixes to resolve this issue. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type CMD and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to run the command prompt as administrator. In the command prompt, type the commands one after the other and hit Enter after each to execute them. regsvr32, JScript, regsvr32, VBScript, close the command prompt. Restart your computer. Tap on the Windows button on your taskbar and type Troubleshoot Settings in the Windows search bar. In the search results displayed, click on Troubleshoot Settings. On this page, click on Other Troubleshooters. The Other Troubleshooters page opens and you can see a list of all the troubleshooters. Wait for the troubleshooter to run, detect, and fix any issues that are found. Click on the Windows Start button on your taskbar and type Command Prompt in the search box. Once Command Prompt is highlighted in the search result, click on Run as administrator in the right panel. Type the below command and hit Enter to execute it. sfc/scanowait till the SFC tool runs and checks for any corruption. Hit the Windows key on your keyboard and type Installed Apps in the search box. Click on Installed Apps in the Best Match search result. On the Settings page for Installed Apps, search for the Windows Security app using the search box. Now click on the 3-dot menu associated with Windows Security and choose Advanced Options. On the Advanced Options page, scroll down to the Reset section. Check if the problem is resolved after repairing the app. If the problem persists even after repair, then go back to the Advanced Options page for Windows Security as mentioned above. After resetting, reboot your PC. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.